I think it's very important to identify areas of history and groups of people in history who perhaps haven't been included in the sort of broad historical sweep that we're all used to from school. It's an opportunity, having a set period in the year to look at this, for organisations like mine, like Glamorgan Archives, to say, well, look, we do have these records that relate to organisations that are specific to this group of people. In our case, it's tricky because LGBT history wasn't that well recorded in an earlier period, but we've certainly got a series of collections from LGBT-specific groups, mostly from the mid-late 20th century onwards. But with an event like this, it gives us the opportunity to advertise the fact that there is material in other sources as well. So what we want to do is to use this to encourage people to research this topic, and also to say to people, yeah, we've got this stuff and we're really interested in taking more. So if you're holding records out there that relate to LGBT people and organisations, by all means bring them in, and we're very happy to accept them and look after them for you.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for your time, Susan.
You're welcome.
Thank you.